Hey guys, I am back. Back on this world specifically. That's a lot cool. I haven't played on this world since the last video, which was like 3 months ago, maybe 4. So I have no idea. It's like re-exploring the entire thing. So let's go. Let's keep going. I really don't remember any of this. Like, this is all new to me. I'm probably gonna go mining though. Wow. Now I know why I didn't come back, because the caves suck. Or that wing of the cave, I don't know about this side. Probably not much better. Amazing. Astounding. Okay, let's just... I'm not gonna die, hopefully. Like, one of the scariest... I was gonna say one of the scariest noises in Minecraft is your tool breaking, because it literally comes out of nowhere. You never suspect it. Like, you're just peacefully mining, and then you have tool breaks and it just jump scares you. Nice. Hopefully I can actually make use of this. There's actually some stuff down here, so it's not horrible. There's a lot down here. Got really lucky. Did I just suffocate in a wall because I like swam up too fast? Now that we're somewhat close to diamond level, I hope we get lucky and find some. You know, as if I wouldn't be asking for diamonds. If I was asking you not to find diamonds, I'd be a strange situation. Probably should have paid attention to the subtitles. Hey, nice. Probably a 6 man. Okay, it's 5. It's enough for a pickaxe and enchantment table, so that's nice. That's probably what I'm going to do with it. Because enchantments are one of the most important things for hardcore. They let you get like a early lead if you get them early enough. Ooh. Good thing I found this. I'm gonna leave a little bit just for light, but actually, I'm gonna go make a bucket, get some water, come back down, mine obsidian. Just enough for an enchantment table, though. Axes are really good for hardcore. They just kill them quick. Like, it's basically just like guerrilla tactics. You just kind of hit them and kind of back up. Hope they don't follow you too quickly. I'm actually going to make a blast furnace just to have my iron smelt a little faster. We're done. Just kidding, I need that furnace. Furnace. Smithstone. Blast furnace. After I get my helmet, full iron. Nice. Now we're gonna get a bucket. Ready to go make some obsidian. You know, because I'm bonking my head on every step. Bonk. I gotta have at least 4 concussions by now. They stack, by the way. Like, concussions. Okay, we have enough. I hope I'm actually hitting it. I'm not sure. Okay, good. Then I need to start a cow farm, because I kind of need that for books, for an enchantment table. Right, let me in. 4, nice. There should also be enough down there for a portal in the future. Right now, I just want to make an enchantment table. Nice. Burn the skeleton. Stone axes are kind of really good for no reason. I think I can do it. Pretty sure I can do it. That was really close. Extremely close. They do like 4 hearts, even with full iron. That was a bad decision. Just a little bad. As long as I survive. And it's not a horrible decision. Amazing. I really can't find any cows. Like, 0. There's chickens. And new chickens. Oh, seeds. Yes. Follow. Perfect. And thus begins my inhumane chicken farm. I'm gonna go grab an egg from over here. And more chickens. Just what I need. Come on. I have seeds. Yeah, you want that now. Yeah, come on. And now we're fine. We're all good. There. Inhumane chicken farm. It's my favorite way to make corn. There's no other way to make one. It's either inhumane or you just don't have one. Darn. Oop. Darn. Just wait. Okay. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys, because it's 4:04 in the morning right now. And luckily I don't have school tomorrow, but I should probably get to sleep after editing this video, that is. So I will see you in the next hardcore video on this world, which will probably be within 5 days to about 4 months. That's the that's the range of what the next video could be. But yeah, I didn't actually get to make a jamming table because no cows wanted to die for the cause. So that's gonna be the end of the video. So bye.